this year, the cool Saturdays is.
Okay. Take two. Can you read for mommy, please? What to do with this?
You need this first. This bowl. This bowl is cooking. And this frying. This handle. This bowl. And this frying picture. Then put 2 cups. 1 cup. 1 spoon. 2 mix. 2 cup. And the tea is ready. Okay. Let's open this first. So you see. Just open this. And put them frying. I'm baking. I'm baking. Okay. Oh.
What are you baking there?
This one. I'll open this and carefully put.
What are you putting there?
Put it there.
Okay. Oh, tell mommy first how to do with this one.
Do this one. I'll put there.
And then?
And the sazon pane.